Hi everyone, we are making truffles with Pure Nilotica Melt. You know that our mission at LXMI is all about clean beauty. We have a no-no list on our website with all of the chemicals, emulsifiers, and preservatives that do not exist in our products. And we're especially all about single ingredient superfoods like Pure Nilotica Melt. Our Pure Nilotica Melt, you can see it here, it's got this really beautiful texture. It's amazing for your face, even more amazing for your body. And I add a few other ingredients like organic vanilla extract. And we're gonna roll the truffles in organic shredded coconut. So you can buy the melt in a tube on our website, LXMI.com, squeeze it out, and then add it to your saucepan for truffles. And you can also find the recipe on LXMI.com on our blog, just search for truffles. So the first thing that you do is you add the raw ingredients to a saucepan, ideally a stainless steel or cast iron pan so that you don't have a nonstick coating that's leaching into all the ingredients. And I'm just adding the Pure Nilotica Melt, about a quarter cup of it, into my saucepan. You can see the beautiful texture here, and it's just gonna go right into the saucepan. A dash of almond or vanilla extract, I'm gonna use vanilla today, along with 2 teaspoons of water, and then you're gonna stir that over at medium heat and let it all melt down before you stick it in the fridge. Hi guys, so now we are done with our beautiful truffles. This is what comes out of the saucepan when you're done. You can simply roll it into a little ball. You can use a melon scooper. I don't actually have one, so I'm okay with just freestyling. And then you want to roll it into shredded coconut. And I love using organic and fair trade coconut wherever possible. This is a brand called Go Coconut, got it at Whole Foods. I just chop it up and then roll the Nilotica truffle in the coconut, and I sometimes add a little Himalayan sea salt. It gives it a nice edge. And there you go, that's the final truffle. One other note, you can add superfoods as you like. So I add chia seeds sometimes. You can add chopped up goji berries or any other kind of dried berry that you like to the mixture that you put in the saucepan. You can even add powder superfoods like adaptogen. I really love this brand, Sun Potion. They make powdered superfoods. You can add them to your truffle mix and then just go ahead and continue and roll it on into a ball. So here you go, Pure Nilotica Melt truffles. They're really good.